Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano chords part to The Scientist by Coldplay. So yeah, we're just going to be looking at the chords today, so just what the piano part is doing. It's mostly the same sort of thing all the way through the song, so we're going to go through every single section. So on the screen now is the whole structure of the song. The ones that are in orange are the ones we're going to go through, and the ones in grey are just repeats of those other sections. And then what I'll do is I'll play through some of the sections one after the other so you can see how they connect together. Please go see the description for the full chord song lyric structure. There's a link to that there. And before we continue, if you're brand new here, welcome. My name is Francesca and I'm the teacher here at Bitesize Piano. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here learning from my tutorials. I've listed a few more playlists in the description below to get you started on learning a few more things, but just go check out my channel and discover what else you can learn there. Please give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's been useful. And finally, thank you to everyone who supports Bitesize Piano on Patreon and other avenues. You know who you are, so thank you very much. If you're interested in supporting the channel in that way, you can go to the description where the links are there. So let's dive in. So this one's in the key of D minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D minor. So the melody and the chords are formed using these notes. It's important to note before you start anything what key you're in. So we'll look at the intro first. The verses are very similar to the intro, and the post-chorus is very similar, the bridge is very similar. Everything is very similar. So it's the main sort of 4 chords all the way through, played in some way or some other. The first chord we're going to play is a D minor 7. So this is a D minor, so D, F, A. This is middle C, by the way. And then you're going to add the C. That C makes the 7th. So that's the D minor 7 in the notes in order, but we're just going to be playing the C down there instead. You're going to play that 4 times, and you're going to, with the left hand, you're going to play Ds. If you can stretch octaves, but if not, just play a single D. So we're going to go left, together, left, together, left, together, left. And the next chord in the right hand is a B flat major. So that's D, F, and B flat. And you're going to play B flats in the bass as well. And we're going to do that in the same way. So together, left, together, left, together, left, together. And then you're going to play a C octaves, but if you can't stretch the octave, just play the top C. So I'll just do what we've done so far. Then you're going to come to F major, which is second inversion, and then F's in the bass. So that's C, F, and A. And do the same thing again. Together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left. And then the last chord is an F sus2. So all that means is you're going to bring the A to the G, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the whole thing starts again, so back to the D minor 7. And that's the intro done. Obviously it's a little bit quicker than that, it's more like we're going to go straight on to the verse. So it's incredibly similar to what we've just played. So you play what we've just played one more time for the verse, and then the second time we just add this extra chord at the very end. If I just demonstrate, so you'd play the D minor 7, the B flat minor, so the B flat major, then the C, and then to the F again, and then to the F sus2 3 times, and then you would change to a C major chord in the right hand, so it'll be a C major over F. So that's C, E, G. And that's the only difference. There's 4 rounds in total. The first time doesn't have the C at the very end, and the other 3 times after that does have the C over the F chord at the end. And then it's into the chorus. So, nobody said it was easy. So we've got the B flat major chord, which we've already done. So you would do that for 2 bars, so 8 beats in total. Nobody said it was easy. And then to the F for 4 beats. Then the F sus2. Back to the B flat for 8. F major. And then the C over F for 2. And then the F sus for 2. And then you're going to come down and play a C, so C's in the bass as well, for 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to go on the 4th beat, you're going to play in thirds. So you're going to go C and E, D and F, E and G. So I'll do it again from the C over F. And then it'll be into the post-chorus. So again, it's very, very similar. So the post-chorus is F for 4 beats, and then into B flat, the C's, the F for 8 beats, and into D minor 7. F major, F sus2, and then it'll be into the verse again, which is just the same. Then it'll be into the second chorus again, which you're going to play in the same way. So the only thing we have left to do is the bridge. So after the second chorus, when he's singing "Let's take it back to the start," so you could go instead, just to amp it up a little bit, there's more of a guitar sound in there, so you could play in fifths. So in the left hand, you would play F and C with the F major chord, and then B flat and F with a B flat chord. Back to F for 8 beats. Then D minor 7, so you could play D and A with that. B flat. F for 8 beats. outro, you would just hold D minor 7 down, the B flat major, and the F major. In the middle 8 section in the end is where it's going ah woo, ah woo. So now I'm going to play the whole thing through, and then I'll list the chords and the lyrics in line with what I'm playing at the top of the screen. experienced the tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. In order to request a piano tutorial, you do need to be subscribed and you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. All requests are noted and considered. Make sure to hit the notifications bell because your request could be coming up soon. I will see you in the next one.